Sonia from Sew the Distance, and welcome back for day 2 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Advent Box. Yesterday we got fabric. I was so excited. I love fabric. I love getting fabric in these boxes, especially something like this. It's very unique and different. I think it's a lot of fun. There's some really cute prints in here, some Christmassy, some not, but they all kind of have that ugly sweater vibe. And yesterday I guessed at this one that maybe it's a pattern. That's usually what they do. It's kind of their thing, is if you get some fabric, you then get a pattern. It doesn't always happen, but it does happen sometimes. So let's open this up and see what it is. It is, oh my goodness. Okay, so let me pull this out. There's 3 things in here. This is so cute, you guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it's a little sweater. Can you see it? Template. Oh my gosh. And we got a pattern. Yay! With all the little ugly sweaters on it. Oh my goodness. And then also some fusible, so light fusible interfacing. So good. Oh, you know I'm gonna be making this today. Oh my goodness. So exciting. And also I have the binder from last year somewhere. I'll have to find it, but I'll be able to put my pattern in this section that's marked 2023 that I have. I'll put a picture of that up here. Oh, so exciting. All right, I'm gonna show the next gift because I like to guess. Some of you love that, some of you hate it. If you hate it and don't wanna see it, this is your warning to stop watching now. Fair warning, okay? All right, I'm gonna show and I'm gonna guess. All right, this is it. This is day 3. Do you hear that? Put it to my microphone. What is it? There's definitely some sort of rounded something here, and it feels like one of those plastic, like, you know, I don't know, like a Notion or something that's encased in plastic. It actually reminds me of like a kid's toy. That's what it feels like. I don't know what it is, but I'm excited to find out. So join me tomorrow for this. Okay, I'm also gonna do the running total. I know some of you don't like that and some of you do. Again, turn it off if you don't like it. I'm not offended. So this is, you know, it's hard to price this because I think it's custom for this box. I'm gonna say $11. Charm packs usually run between 10, I found online, to up to like 16 depending, but usually you can find them on sale, and because this is so unique, maybe it should be more because it's unique, but I'm gonna call it $11 and be a little conservative with it. So you'll see the running total here on the screen. I think already we're right out of the box, right out of the gate, right out of the Christmas box, I don't know. It's really a good gift and a good value, so we'll see. Remember, I paid for this box. I did not get this from the company or anything like that, so this was out of my pocket, and I know it is pricey. I heard a lot of you yesterday talk about that too. It is expensive. Hopefully the value's there, and for me, the experience, oh my goodness, the experience is so much fun. So join me tomorrow and see what we get. I hope you have a great day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.